Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. Let's read the question. It is a previous JE questions. It says two identical charge spheres suspended from a common point by two massless strings of length L are initially at a distance small d apart because of their mutual repulsion, where small d is much smaller than L. The charge begins to leak from both the spheres at a constant rate. As a result, the charges approach each other with a velocity v. Then function of the distance x between them, that is it is asking to find out velocity as a function of x. How the velocity will depend upon x, what power of x it will depend, it is asking about that thing. What are the key points are there? We'll see. One thing is they're saying that charge leak from the sphere at a constant rate. So here the rate of leakage of charge is constant. Leak at a constant rate. Constant rate is very important. Second thing, that d is much smaller than x. These two are there, and we have to solve this one. This problem we'll be solving. Let's solve this problem. If we draw the free body diagram of the block of the spheres, then one electrostatic force, there are equal charges are there. One will be repelling like this. Electrostatic will be there. There will be tension will be there. There will be some mg will be there, and we can apply Lami's theorem. This angle is theta is there. We can apply Lami's theorem, and we can write f by this sine of this angle is equal to mg by sine of this angle, and we can obtain the equation that by sine theta is equal to mg by cos theta, and we can get from this tan theta is equal to Fe by mg. As theta is given very small, we can write from this tan theta is equal to theta, we can put is equal to Fe by mg, and from this we can write this length is equal to x is there, so this can be written x by 2 by L is equal to Fe by mg. This will simplify that, right, and put the value of Fe. What is the value of Fe? Fe is equal to k q square by x. X by 2L is equal to k q square by mg into x square. So from this we get that x cube is proportional to q square, or I got that x is proportional to q to the power x to the power 3 by 2, x to the power 3 by 2 will be proportional to, so differentiating both the sides of the equations, what we can get 3 by 2 x to the power half into dx by dt is proportional to dq by dt. But in the question it is given that this is a constant quantity, so we can write very easily that from these equations root x into velocity of the ball is a constant quantity, or we can write that v is proportional to 1 by root x, or v is proportional to x to the power minus half. Like the question. So questions say that how this will be there. So v is proportional, depending on values are given. So v to the power proportional to x to the minus half is the correct answers will be there.